Hello, I'm going to show you how to get to the website ABCYA. Fun ways to practice reading. So you're going to go to a browser, type in ABCYA.com, and it pulls you up to this screen, and you're going to click on K for kindergarten. And then most of the ones for learning are going to be in either ABC letters or numbers. So I'm going to show you an example of a good game to play with numbers for this week, since we're working with numbers, recognizing numbers and quantities 1 to 5. Monster Mansion Match is a really good game for that. So you would click on it and then click the play. So I would suggest that you play with objects and numbers, since that's what we're working on. Memory just means that you're going to have to remember where the specific things are located. So in this game, you're going to pick the number of objects and you're going to count them and then match it with the number it goes with. So this would be 1, 2, 3. So I click on this and then number 3. Okay, you can also go to reading. There are lots of really fun things for the kids to do. Any of these are great for them to use and practice, but especially with our kindergarten, we want to be making sure we know and recognize our letters and sounds. So you could play the Monster Mansion Match for letters and sounds. So it's up to you which one you'd like to choose. We'll try letter sounds and show. So you're going to have to match the uppercase and lowercase letters. So for A, and it continues on until you get through the whole alphabet. So it's actually really fun. There's also different kind of stories you can look at. This is uppercase and lowercase letter matching. Any of these things are good for them to do, and it's actually really fun. The kids love it, and it's extra practice for them. So that is abcya.com. It is free. However, I have noticed that it works best on a laptop or a desktop. It doesn't seem to work that well on things like an iPad. There aren't as many of the free games. There are a few, but not as many. So I would suggest using a laptop or desktop for that. Okay, that's how to get to ABCYA. See you later.